So even though this chair is a little old and worn, it was a good quality chair when I bought it. And it still has some life. But what I did by installing these office chair caster wheels, I totally rejuvenated it and gave it a whole new lease on life. A set of 5 3-inch heavy duty replacement rubber wheels. Super easy to install. Basically, you just take a screwdriver, pop off the old ones, and slide in the new ones, push them in, and you're good to go. So this is suitable for all types of floors. In my case, I have hardwood floors, which my old wheels would have totally damaged, and it just felt clunky and just bad for the floor. So I needed wheels that are able to make the transition from the wood to the carpet without binding up or stopping completely. And this made it happen. Great thing about this is that they're noiseless, they roll nice and smooth, they don't bind up transitioning from carpet to floor to hardwood floor, will not damage the hardwood floor. It just gave my chair a whole new lease on life and prevented it from going out into the trash. You can be sure that these are strong because it could handle loads up to 650 pounds. Nice bearings, it's free flowing, and they actually look pretty good. So there's a lot of pluses, very few, if any, minuses. So rejuvenate your existing chair or even a new chair you're going to buy that doesn't come with these from factory, and slap these on and you'll be good to go. You will not regret it.